Developing Your Farm, a step-by-step guide. Developing a farm involves careful planning, hard work, and a deep understanding of agriculture. Here are some key steps to get you started. 1. Define your farm's purpose. What do you want to produce? Crops, livestock, or a combination? What is your target market? Local, regional, or national? What are your farming goals? Profit, sustainability, self-sufficiency, or a mix? 2. Assess your resources. Land, size, quality, and location. Labor, available family labor, hired help, or machinery. Capital, financial resources for equipment, seed, livestock, and operating costs. Knowledge and skills, your farming experience and expertise. 3. Create a comprehensive business plan. Market analysis, identify your target customers and their needs. Financial projections, estimate income, expenses, and profitability. Production plan, outline your farming operations, including crop rotation, livestock management, and harvesting. Marketing and sales strategy, develop a plan to reach your target market. 4. Invest in quality infrastructure. Soil improvement, build soil fertility through composting, crop rotation, and cover crops. Water management, implement efficient irrigation systems. Storage facilities, construct barns, silos, or cold storage for crops and livestock. Equipment, purchase or rent necessary machinery. 5. Adopt sustainable practices. Crop rotation, improve soil health and reduce pest and disease problems. Integrated pest management, use natural methods to control pests. Conservation tillage, protect soil from erosion. Diversification, grow a variety of crops or raise different livestock. 6. Build strong relationships. Network with other farmers, learn from their experiences and share knowledge. Collaborate with local businesses, find partners for marketing and distribution. Engage with the community, build trust and support for your farm. 7. Continuously learn and adapt. Stay informed about industry trends. Attend conferences, workshops, and webinars. Experiment with new crops or techniques. Innovate to improve efficiency and profitability. Be flexible and adaptable. Respond to changes in the market and weather conditions. Remember, farming is a long-term commitment. Be patient, persistent, and passionate.